Barbers accepted thousands of dollars in donations for the Tulsa Boys Home. And Fox 23's Price McKeon is live in South Tulsa with the shop's plans to continue sharing, and it sounds like you've got a lot going on there, Price.
This is the second location here for the Elephant Room in McLean's High School drumline. They're here and they're playing. They've been out here all night. The owners tell me they're celebrating not just this expansion, but for another reason too. Thousands of dollars of free haircuts. As Carrie Clark cuts a customer's hair, a bigger vision is playing out.
Well, I feel awesome. It's wonderful to be able to give back to the community.
The haircuts aren't really free. Instead, each person here is asked to give a donation to the Tulsa Boys Home.
We feel blessed that we can impact the community through Elephant in the Room.
For the owner, it's not just about what people see in the mirror. It's about what they do.
We want to make an impact in the community.
This is their chance by raising money for youth without a father figure. And people are stepping up. By the time he got to work at 9 a.m., there was a line outside the door.
And once I saw that line, I knew we were in for a long day, which is a good day, and ultimately raised a lot of money for the Tulsa Boys Home.
The appointment booked so full, they had to turn people away. But the owner doesn't want the giving streak to end. Next week, they'll let the people who were turned away have a chance to come back.
And we're going to honor that free haircut and still take that money and pass it on to the Tulsa Boys Home.
It doesn't end there. We've learned donations from people that walk through these doors won't stop after Saturday. Because starting Monday, both locations will participate in the barbershop's new program. It starts with one.
For every haircut that we do, we're going to donate $1 to a charity organization that gives back to young boys and youth.
Moore says people are donating without even getting a haircut. We just checked the numbers. They're still counting the money, but right now they say they've raised about $2,000. We've learned their goal is $10,000. Live in South Tulsa, Price McKeon, Fox 23 News.